So I will emphasize that too. Tonight is not a tornado night. We're gonna have, so there are severe thunderstorms popping up in the Panhandle right now.
Already?
Yes, already. And what will happen is those will congeal into a line, and then that will kind of sweep through North Texas. And that, when thunderstorms are like that, when they're not by themselves, it's more of a wind risk.
Okay.
So there will be some 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts tonight, maybe stronger northwest of the Metroplex. No, but not a tornado type of night. So we can at least be thankful for that. But we will be watching the thunderstorms late tonight. Before we get to the timing, I got to tell you the breaking news here. Hottest day of the year, Teresa.
It kind of felt like it too. It was warm out there.
It was toasty, humid too. 95 is the high today. It's not a record. The record's 97 set back in 1980, and we all know how that summer went. It was bad, in case you didn't. The last 95 degrees was back in September on the 21st. So it's been a while since we've been at 95. That's where we are at Fair Park right now. We see partly sunny skies across the area. There's that high of 95. The normal is 87. Outside now it's 93. It's humid, so it feels like 97 degrees. So here's the picture now. Satellite and radar, quiet in North Texas. There are the thunderstorms popping up in, we're talking out toward the Panhandle of Texas. Now these will come together and become a line of thunderstorms later tonight. But as we go through this evening, we're quiet. So here's 7 p.m. We go through 11. So here's North Texas. Still quiet. Now the thunderstorms are taking shape to the west. So by 11, we're looking at Archer City down through Albany. By midnight, it's going to be in areas like Bowie down to Graham and Breckenridge. By 1 o'clock in the morning, that's when the threat for thunderstorms moves into Gainesville. Parts of Denton County, right on the cusp of getting into Tarrant County by 1 or 1:30, and then into Parker and Wise County. Remember, the main risk will be damaging wind gust with this setup of thunderstorms. These are not isolated supercells that bring the threat for very large hail and tornadoes. This will be more of a linear fashion, so it's going to be mainly a wind risk as we get into the overnight. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, and either way, we're going to be here watching it. This is 2 a.m. Dallas-Fort Worth area, plan to be woken up with some gusty winds, some lightning, some thunder, some heavy rain. That's 3 a.m. Once you've gotten on the backside of this leading edge, the severe threat quickly diminishes, and then you're left with just scattered rain and thunderstorms. But then the severe threat from Mineola to Canton down to Corsicana at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then finally, we'll start Monday, Memorial Day, with just some scattered rain, a couple rumbles of thunder. The severe threat's coming to an end for at least the morning. Now, it's a level 2 slight risk for the Metroplex, a level 3 enhanced to the northwest. This orange shaded area is the best chance to see the up to 60 mile per hour winds and up to quarter-size hail. Then Monday, for Memorial Day, we'll have a second round of thunderstorms in the afternoon and into the evening. It'll be more of a scattered variety, so there's a WFAA weather impact alert day for that day for impacts of brief heavy rain, frequent lightning, up to quarter-size hail, and up to 60 mile per hour winds. You need to stay updated. Listen, I know a lot of you are going to be out on area lakes tonight, tomorrow, through the afternoon. You're going to be at state parks. Just make sure you have a way to receive warnings. You can do that by downloading WFAA Plus to your TV. You can download the WFAA app on your phone. We will keep you updated. You can follow us on social media, X and Facebook. So notice this, we will have there will be plenty of dry hours on Monday. Okay, so this is noon. You see it's not widespread rain, right? You'll even have some sunshine in there. Scattered rain and thunderstorms will redevelop by mid to late afternoon. There's 3 p.m. Notice it is not widespread, so there will be plenty of dry hours to do things out and about. Just know you have to have a way to receive warnings, because by the time we get into late afternoon, scattered thunderstorm activity will pick up in coverage. That's where we could have that risk for some strong wind gust or some large hail and some heavy rain. And lightning is always a concern with thunderstorms, especially with folks having outdoor plans. That's 9 p.m. There's 11, and things will start to move to the south of our area by Tuesday morning, leaving us with a quiet start to Tuesday morning. So we have that in store. We also have 1 to 3 inches of rain widespread across North Texas with isolated higher totals. We'll also be watching for the potential for isolated flash flooding. Tonight, 68 degrees. Tomorrow, 83. There are the scattered thunderstorms, some of them severe with wind and hail. The 14-day forecast. Hey, enjoy those cooler days while you can. I say cooler, it's relative, of course, but low 80s. We are going to be back in the 90s before long after scattered shower and storm chances this upcoming week. Looks like we'll just have fewer rain chances and higher heat after that, Teresa.